To preserve the marine ecosystems that coexist with local activities, it would be highly commendable. But it is not. It is a million miles away from that. It is a plan to exclude all activities in the waters and on the beaches within the zones. There will be no fishing, even with rod and line, no crab or lobster pots, no anchoring of boats, probable restrictions on sailing and the safe passage of vessels so that there is no wash onto the shore, restrictions on walking on the beaches in the zone, and even the lifeboat could only go into the zone for an emergency, and it would be required to shift out of there as quickly as possible. At present, the marine ecosystems around Puffin Island are renowned for the diversity of wildlife. I've lost it. They are already protected, and they are recognised as a success story. To completely ban all forms of fishing, anchoring, walking on beaches, etc., this will sterilise a balanced and vibrant area, and this can only be a bad thing. This, by their own admission, is an experiment by boffins, because nobody knows what the final impact will be. But they admit it will probably reduce numbers of species, and to me, that is bad. A total exclusion zone like this would destroy our tourism industry and the very economy of Beaumaris. Beaumaris is a major tourist venue for yachtsmen, fishermen, and the people who enjoy the solitude of our beaches. There will be a knock-on impact across the whole of Anglesey. That message was given to officers of the Welsh Government in a recent consultation meeting, both of which I attended, one in Pwllheli and here at the Canolfan in Beaumaris. There was substantial criticism at the lack of any proper consultation, and particularly with the people who have grown up and nurtured these marine environments all of their lives. Your council intends to join with other community councils on Anglesey and Bangor, and with those on the Crane Peninsula to continue to fight against this possible and devastating impact on our local economies. I could speak for longer, believe it or not. Certainly on these issues.
Family trait.
Yeah. The main object for today is for everybody to enjoy themselves. Today is a day of celebration, and I want you all to enjoy our hospitality and welcome that we are so well known for here in Beaumaris. Now, can I just quickly say a big thank you to Rihanna here. Right, she's done a lovely job. Seen her here first. I think this girl's going to go far. Now, the mayoress, on behalf of all of us here, is